In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in Gmail. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your emails, make your communication more interactive, or simply direct recipients to a specific webpage or resource. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's start by opening Gmail and creating a new email. Click on the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of your Gmail window. This opens a fresh email draft where you can begin writing your message. Before adding a hyperlink, you'll need an image to link. Look for the Insert Photo icon at the bottom of the Compose window. It usually looks like a small landscape image. Click on it and then choose Upload followed by Browse. This will open a dialog box where you can navigate through your computer files to select the image you want. Once you select your image, it will be inserted directly into your email draft. With the image now in your email, the next step is to select it so we can add a hyperlink. Click on the image or click and drag your mouse over it until it's highlighted. This shows that the image is active and ready for linking. Now, look for the Insert Link icon in the toolbar, which usually looks like a small chain link. Clicking this icon will open a dialog box where you can enter the URL you want the image to point to. Type the web address or link you want your recipients to be directed to when they click the image. This could be a website, an online document, a landing page, or any resource you want to share. Double check that the URL is correct and functional to prevent broken links. Once everything is correct, click apply and your image is now hyperlinked. At this point, it's a good idea to send a test email to yourself. Click on your linked image and ensure it directs you to the correct web page. Testing ensures your recipients will have a smooth experience without errors. And there you have it. You've successfully hyperlinked an image in Gmail, making your emails more dynamic and interactive. Hyperlinked images are great for business promotions, newsletters, or even educational content, as they provide a direct and visually appealing way for recipients to access information. Remember, the key is to always double check your URLs and preview your email before sending it out. With this simple skill, your emails will not only look more professional, but also engage your readers more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and email tricks. Happy hyperlinking!